well. We'll go over the next stimulus bill, but first I want to help people with the current stimulus check because people keep asking this. If you received too much money on your stimulus check, in other words, your stimulus check money was more than your stimulus check amount should have been, then the IRS states that there is no provision in the law requiring repayment of a payment. In plain English, that means that you don't have to pay it back. This is directly from the IRS stimulus check FAQs in question 30. It is recommended that you keep the notice of the stimulus check payment for your documentation and your 2020 tax records. If you are still waiting on the stimulus check, then your stimulus check is most likely on its way. Unfortunately, it may take weeks or even months for you to receive it. And please remember that the stimulus check may show up in the form of a debit card. So please don't shred it, please don't cut it up, please don't throw it away, mistaking it for junk mail. Regarding the next stimulus package, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said that the next stimulus package will be the final stimulus package. The two takeaways from that statement should be that there will be another stimulus package and there won't be another one after that. However, I would be careful to say never, because in the event that COVID-19 comes back stronger than ever during flu season, you never know. For example, the European Union just passed another $826 billion stimulus package. So this whole stimulus package after stimulus package after stimulus package, it's not just in the United States, it's happening all across the world. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said that the stimulus package is being crafted to help us where we will be a month from now, not where we were 3 months ago. McConnell says that in order to best predict and craft this next stimulus package, we need a month. Then House Speaker Nancy Pelosi responded to a month of waiting by saying, we need a pause. Tell that to the virus. So Pelosi has some comebacks as well. McConnell said that the next stimulus bill needs to contain liability protection for doctors, small businesses, and employers. It looks like the Democrats will give in as long as it's not blanket liability protection, meaning that it won't protect everyone from everything in terms of liability protection. It also appears that the Republicans will give in to Democrats' demands of helping unemployed people, as McConnell said that Congress would help those who are still unemployed. That's pretty vague, but it's a start. There's also new bills that are passing to stop state governments from giving stimulus payments to illegal aliens. The states have the power to give stimulus checks also. Some states or counties have already done that, the issuance of their own stimulus checks. Republican lawmakers in the House and Senate are trying to stop stimulus payments from going to illegal aliens conducted at the state level. Seattle is attempting to do a $100 million relief fund for illegal aliens. There's many other areas that are attempting to do this or doing this as well. Congressman Ken Buck tweeted that the No Bailouts for Illegal Aliens Act is being created to stop states and localities that are setting up programs to send cash payments to illegal aliens. Let's move on to student loans. We were getting asked about this very frequently in the comments, so we're going to touch upon student loans. The interest rates on federal student loans are 0% until September 30th. This does not apply to private loans. This is all information from the U.S. Department of Education. I'll just give you the highlights. If you don't know if your interest rate was reduced to 0, then contact your loan servicer online or by phone. Your loan servicer is where you make your monthly payments. If you make loan payments during the 0% interest period, then the full amount of your payments will be applied to your principal, which is your loan balance. Private student loans are not eligible for the 0% interest benefit. The Department of Education has no legal authority over private student loans, and they are not covered by the CARES Act. The forbearance, which is the temporary suspension of payments, lasts until September 30th. Auto debits of payments are suspended during the administrative forbearance. Therefore, if you didn't get it withdrawn, then don't freak out. That was supposed to happen. Additionally, if it actually did get auto debited from you during this period, you can get it refunded. You just have to contact your loan provider, your loan servicer. You can also choose to keep making the payments. And again, the payments would go 100% towards your principal, which is your loan balance. If you have the ability to keep paying your student loan debt and you continue to do so, that would be great because you'll be paying down your balance much quicker. And that's because it's going to be going towards your loan balance due rather than being split between interest and your loan balance due. So please take advantage, if you can,